Hello, first grade families. I am just checking in to see how your spider number lines are coming. I wanted to show you a sample. Now, of course, this is laminated, but this is the one that I have used in the past, and I've got all the pieces cut out and ready to go. What we're hoping is that this week and even next week, using that spider number line to help your student with this next assessment that's coming up for second quarter. So it's going to ask that they can read certain numbers, that they can write those same numbers, and here is where you're using your number line. We're gonna see if they could count to 120. If they could go past that, we certainly will. And then this is the most challenging part. So this is also what I need your help with. This is where they have to go to their number line and practice starting on a number and counting on so many more until they get to the next number. So I would say, for example, start on the number 9 and count up till you get to 15. Well, when they do this test with me, they will not have a number line to look at. They're gonna have to do it by mental math. So this kind of help ahead of time using the spider number line would be wonderful and totally help them with where they need to be at counting to 120 by the end of December. So this is what the second quarter looks like. Go ahead and screenshot that or save this to a special place. And again, they'll be assessed on reading numbers, writing numbers, counting to 120 from rote memorization, of course, and then starting on a number, any given number. So this one was 9, and then they'd have to say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and stop on 15. So using these little spiders in our little number line hopefully will give you a great deal of extra practice and help at home. See you soon.